This is the Advanced Snail Mucin 96 Power Essence by COSRX. This is a great product. I have been using it now for about a month. I will show you a before picture and an after picture, but right now, the month that I've been using it, it has seriously made a difference in my fine lines and wrinkles. It's also been my experience that it's added a little glow to my skin that needed a little uplift. It's kind of given a brightening. This is without makeup. It is even more evident when I put my makeup on. But the Snail Mucin is just very lightweight. It's moisturizing. And when you put it on, you feel a little tingling. You can feel a little tightening. Very easy to use. Just a little bitty pump goes a long way. I use it 3 to 4 times a week. That's it. And it begins to really show a great evidence after a few weeks. That's been my experience and I really like it. This is the after. This is the after.